Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add background in Picsart. So go ahead and open Picsart.com, log into your profile, and what you need to do is go ahead and click New Project. Create Canvas, and then it will lead you to this page over here where you can start editing. Now to add background, what you need to do is go in the left hand side and you can see the background option. Tap on it and a new drop down menu will open if we just click on texture. Now you need to go and find the free one. If you want to pay for it, you can just pay for Picsart Plus, or else you could just use the free one. So I will choose to use this background. So what I'll do is go and tap on it. You can see that this is the background. Now to add photo, go to photos and choose any of the photos, and you can see that the background is set and the photo is above the background. It's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is go to the background and you can even choose from the colors. So if you want the background to be black, just tap on black and the background will be black. This way you can change the background of any photo or the Picsart image what you are creating. And after that you can tap export and then you can simply export. You can see that this photo has been exported. You can open it and you can see the background has been changed as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.